Hadin pembahasan pos ngitam jong ke jingeh kajia bat ke jingeh om snam ha ke jylla Manipur ka Ministry of Home Affairs kalakot ke jingeh lang jong kiseng sanhima baper banyak keren halor ke jingeh ka balakta ke jylla bat kasuk kasany ha ke ni ke jylla Nagaliang Menteri Rangba Barim ke jylla Manipur u Okram Ibadi Singh ubalami khmat ya ka All India Congress Committee ulapan pau ya ke jing ngausi habai dei bat kini ke jing kendu namar semlayo ka por ka babiang ban pau habai dei bat ke jing jia ka belajia ha ke jylla Manipur habakran bat kinong tho khubor halor kini ke jing kendu u Okram ulayathu bal aipor ya u ba unkren tang nyau du praminit ban pau halor ke jing ngau jungu habai dei bat ke jing ya umsnam ha ke jylla Manipur warla udai nagani ke jylla hanrai kapor ki ai tang khandiat baun kren namar ba usngau ba kadon kam ya u bandang beteng mat ban penpau ula kerpat ban aipor sasan minit hanrai ya ke jengkerpat jungu la kantaj bat semlayo ban kren ban penpau ya ke jingye jong ke jylla.
Today Home Ministry has organized one meeting about Manipur. You know, this meeting is a national level, national all-party meeting. So AICC nominated me. I was attended there. Just immediate after that meeting is over, I came here for meeting Jairamji and my colleagues, other press friends. This is most unfortunate on my part. They are not giving the time which I know I cannot take much time. Even then, just around it may be 7-8 minutes maximum. More than that, they are not giving. What I started, thank you, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji. You have organized this all national level political party meeting after a gap of this 50 days. We hope that this type of meeting will be appropriate if the Honorable Prime Minister is share this type of meeting. I don't know whether they does not like to. And also then next I said that we thought that Manipur, though it is a small, tiny state, but we hope that it's strategically bordering an international border of Myanmar with India. We thought that we are protecting our boundary. But even today, Honorable Prime Minister, why he did not mention even a single word, single tweet, and when Manipur is burning, now it is almost more than 50 days. We thought that election is election. Once election is over, then Prime Minister is for the whole country, including Manipur. Why he is not, whether he is angry or not about Manipur or not, that is, we don't know. Why he is not mention even a single word for Manipur. Then after that, you please finish. I have no chance for expressing. There are few important points, which not much. That is, I would like to mention. But I said that, okay, I will complete. Then when all other colleagues, when they speak, after that, at least please give me some more extra concession, since I belong from that particular Manipur. So immediate after that his speech, his delivery, I request at least 3-4 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Then sorry. Maybe you can come meet me even 2 hours also. That's why they are not giving time for me. I thought this is unfortunate on my part.